Okay, now let's practice the C major triads on the strings 3, 4, 5 and then 4, 5, 6, so 3, 4, 5. So we start still with our C major chord, okay, C major chord. So if we take the string 3, 4, 5, we only have those, okay, for the first position. Then we go up here. So the third finger is on the 7th fret, and you do a little bar, and you bar the 5th fret on the strings 3 and 4. Okay, and the third one would be starting on the 10th fret with the third finger, 5th string, the picky on the 10th fret, 4th string, and the major on the 3rd string, 9th fret, okay, fret number 9. So we have those 3 positions, 1, 2, 3. So we have do, mi, sol, mi, sol, do, sol, do, mi. Okay, let's do this with the metronome at 60 BPM. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, change, 1, 2, 3, 4, change, 1, 2, 3, 4, change, and etc, etc. Okay, let's do this. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, 2 more times. And last time. Okay, very good. Now let's check the strings, the C major triads on the strings 4, 5, and 6. So we start here. So we remember the C major. So here we want, if we want to use the 6th string, we're gonna have to add this one here. So we have this shape. So 3rd finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string, then picky on the 3rd fret, 5th string, and the major on the 2nd fret, 4 strings. Okay, for the first. So, do, mi, okay? Then we go here. So on the 8th fret with the picky, 3rd finger on the 7th fret, and we have again our root triad. Do, mi, sol, okay? And the 3rd shape here. Mi, sol, do, okay? So we have sol, do, mi, sol, do. Yeah? Okay, let's do this with the metronome, 60 BPM still. So same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. etc. Let's go. 2, 3, and 4. Change 1, 2, 3, 4. Change 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. And second time. Third time. Fourth. One more time. Okay, very good, and that's it. You know all the 6 strings, so I recommend that you check the video that I've made for the strings 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. See you on the next one.